Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Follow-Up Boss for property lead follow-up easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Follow-Up Boss login page. Enter your email address associated with your Follow-Up Boss account. After entering your email, click on the Next button. Now, input your password in the designated field. Make sure to double-check for any typing errors. Once you've entered your password, click the Login button. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll be prompted for a code. Check your authentication method, such as your mobile phone, for the SMS code. Enter the code in the appropriate field and click Verify. After logging in, you will be directed to the Follow-Up Boss dashboard. Here, you can view your leads and follow-up tasks. To connect with property leads, navigate to the Leads section from the left-hand menu. You can search for specific leads using the search bar. Once you find a lead, click on their name to open their profile. In the lead profile, you will see options for follow-up actions. Select your preferred method of contacting the lead, whether by call, email, or text. Make sure to personalize your message for better engagement. After you have drafted your message, review it for clarity and tone. Once satisfied, proceed to send the message. You can also set up reminders for future follow-ups in the lead's profile. This ensures you stay organized and keep track of your interactions. Return to the dashboard to manage more leads or tasks. Regularly check for notifications or updates regarding your leads. By following these steps, you can efficiently authenticate and manage follow-ups in Follow-Up Boss. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.